Good morning children. Let us start your online class. Now I am going to take English subject for LKG students. Okay, so you also having this book now children. This is English workbook. So open your workbook children, page number 8 and 9. Okay, in the last class you know about that right slanting line. Okay, now sorry, left slanting line. Okay, so today now I am going to teach about right slanting line. Join the dots to make a slanting lines. This is called slanting line. Okay children, strokes. What you learn children now? Strokes. Strokes means standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left curve, right curve, zigzag pattern and up and down patterns. So those are called strokes. Okay, so this is basic for strokes. Means when you write, when you learn alphabets means, so you must learn first strokes. Okay, so you already learned standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. So today we are going to learn right slanting line. Okay, yesterday you learned left slanting line, and I told yesterday I'll teach. I was numbers now children, maths numbers 1 to 20 numbers now. You all are learned children. I hope you was learned. Okay. So first you open your workbook children, page number 8 and 9. Okay. Join the dots to make a slanting line. So this is right slanting line children. Before you learn left slanting line. Okay. So now I'll show your children how to write right slanting line. Okay. So first you put the date here children. Today date is 5. Write on slanting line, write 8. This is month children and 2021. Okay, so here also you put the date, page number 9 also. This is homework for you children. Here also put the date 5/8/21. Okay, so this is homework for you. And this page I'll show your children. This is classwork. No, I'll show you how to write slanting line. Okay, so here they given 4 lines having in book. Okay, now first pink line, second 2 line also we are having blue color, and last 4 line also we are having pink color. Means we are having here 4 line in this book. Okay, now so we have to touch the first pink line to second blue line. Okay, so here see children, I'll show here. You put your pencil point in the first pink line and trace the line, means cross the line, means this is slanting line, no? So you have to cross the line and join the first pink line to first dot to second blue line, second dot, first dot. Okay, so this is slanting line. Okay, so you put your pencil point in the first pink line to join the second blue line dot. Okay, so now it is slanting line, means right slanting line. Okay, now here see children, first you put your pencil point in the pink line, first dot to, and cross the line, join the second blue line dot. Okay, so now it is slanting line. What children? Slanting line. Okay, so this is right slanting line. I'll show now children. So you also see this video. Seeing this video after you write your book. Okay, once again I show this here children. This is homework for you. They given small dots. So you have to trace this right slanting line. So first you put your pencil point in pink line and trace the dots. You touch the first pink line to second blue line. Okay, now so this is slanting line. Okay, now children, you understood? This is called right slanting line. So, how to write? How to write children? You begin with line in first pink line to second blue line. Now that is right slanting. Okay, now you understood, children? So this is page number 9 is homework for you, children. Okay, now when you show that here, no, what I am showing here in page number 8. So that's why you see there and write in page number 9 also. Okay, and turn the next page, children. So this is also I show here, children. This is zigzag pattern. Zigzag means up and down patterns. Here see, children. Join the dots to make up and down patterns. So here also put the date, children. 5, write one slanting line, write 8 and 2021. Here also put, this is homework for you, children. So here also you put the date must. Okay. So I'll show here, children. This is zigzag pattern, means up and down patterns. Okay. So I'll show here, children, how to write zigzag. Here see, children, we are having 4 lines also here. So we have to touch 3 lines and write zigzag pattern. So they given here small dots, no? So have to trace that zigzag pattern. Okay, so I will show here first, children. So first put your pencil point in the second blue line and go up, and again you go up means first put your pencil point in the second blue line to go up for the first pink line, and next again come down, children, come down pink line to second blue line, then again go up for first pink line, again come down to second blue line, again go up first pink line, again come down second blue line. Okay, now children, you see, this is zigzag pattern or up and down patterns. Okay, so they given here small dots, now children, you have to trace this. Okay, so first you put your pencil point, put your pencil here for second blue line, go up, touch the pink line, and again come down second blue line, again you trace to pink line, blue line to pink line, again you come first pink line to second blue line, again go up and come down. So this is zigzag or up and down patterns. Okay, here see, children, once again I will tell you, put your pencil point in the second blue line and go first pink line and come down second blue line, again second blue line to go first pink line, again come down to second blue line, again go up in pink line, again come down in second blue line. Okay, so this is zigzag pattern or up and down patterns. Okay, now children, you understood? They given small dots, now you have to trace that, children. Okay, you have to trace that. This is zigzag, and here they given small dots also. We are having 3 dots in the pink line and we are having 4 dots in the blue line. Okay, now so I show here, children, how to write in how to join the dots here. So first you put your pencil point in the second blue line, go up, children. So write one slanting line. Okay, so next you put your pencil point in the pink line, come down in second blue line. Okay, so now this is right slanting line, and next again go up in pink line, pink dots we are having in pink line. Okay, so next again come down second blue line, again go up for pink line, again come down in second blue line. Now it is zigzag pattern. Okay, now you understand, children? What I am showing here now, you also seeing this video after write your workbook. Okay, so first you put your pencil point in the second blue line, go up for pink line and join the dot, then next again come down in second blue line, again go up pink line, again come down second blue line, again go up, again join the dots, come down at last second blue line. Okay, so you see, children, first you write blue line to red line, one left slanting line, again you write pink line to blue line, you write now this is right slanting line, again you write left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line. Now this is what children? Zigzag pattern or up and down patterns. Okay now. First you begin with the second blue line point to go up for pink first dot and again come down. Second blue line, again go up first in the pink line, again come down. Second blue line, again go up, come down. So this is what children? Up and down pattern. Okay now, understood? This is also, I'll show this is classwork children, this is homework for you. Okay now, understood children? So I'll show here once again in homework page. Okay, so put your pencil point in the second blue line, go up for touch the pink line. This is left slanting line. Again you put point in the pink line and come down to second blue line. So now this is right slanting line. The next, put your pencil here, write up blue line to pink line. So this is left slanting line. Again you write pink line to blue line, that is right slanting line. Again write left slanting line, right slanting line. So now this is up and down pattern. Okay, understood children? You also trace these lines, left slanting line, right slanting line, now to make a zigzag pattern or up and down patterns. What I am showing here in page number 10 also, this one also we have to write page number 11 also. Okay? Once again I will tell you children, this is left slanting line, right slanting line, this is up and down pattern. This is page number 8 and 10 I am showing here classwork, and you also write this page number 9 also right slanting line, page number 11 is zigzag pattern. Okay, so you have to write page numbers 4 page also you have to write children, that is homework for you. Okay, understood children? What do you learn today children? You learn right slanting line and up and down pattern. Okay now, what I am showing here now, so you also seeing this video and write your workbook. Okay, understood children? Thank you children, we will meet in the next